Okay.
이거
아,
크. This
크,
one 그,
그,
크.
크.
크. Uh-huh.
니,
N. Excellent. Mm-hmm.
드,
D.
다,
D. They look alike. They look alike. Same family. Same family.
트,
Yeah. D. T. D. T. Yeah.
브,
B. Excellent. Excellent. Well, how about this guy?
크.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, they kind of look alike, right?
Yeah.
So, B, P,
브, and 크.
yeah, B, P, same family sound, right? D too, same family sound. G, K, same family sound. Okay, now this. Right. So when you pronounce Ju sound, Ju, Ju, Ju,
Ju.
Ju, Ju, Ju. It's more like this, Ju. Yeah, your tongue touches quite a bit of
Ceiling.
portion of your ceiling of your mouth, right? Now, that's Ju sound. Now, when you pronounce Ju, you make it airtight. You do the same thing, but make it airtight. Ju. Okay, so let's try to read these. I'm gonna break this down for you. Okay, in excellent, very good. So in this, exactly, in this imaginary syllable box, there's always a consonant and a vowel, remember? So what's the vowel? Ah. And the rest of them gotta be a consonant, right?
Right.
So,
자,
this ja, ja. Exactly. And then there are 3 syllables. I'm gonna put 3 syllable boxes. What is the vowel? It's always second position. It's always the second position, right? So and so the first position and the third position, consonants, right? The first consonant, ju, and then the last consonant, sound, right? The circle in the bottom is sound. What if it comes in the first position? No sound.
no sound.
No sound. Okay. Now, so last consonant, last syllable. What is the vowel in the second position, right? Oh, let's cheat. This is what? All as in before. Remember? All as in before. All as in before. Why this is the why is this a mnemonic device for you? Because we go by this little stick, remember? So the little stick is where? Before the long stick.
Correct.
The little stick is your key, right? That's your key to remember this, right? So all as in before. Now, one more little stick in here, it means what? That means E sound before the whole sound value. So this is E plus A. Yeah. Okay, so that's a ya sound. Now what? So the rest of them is easy. All consonants, right? All consonants. Excellent. You've been studying, Lei.
Oh yes.
Okay. So the whole thing, meow. And what is the last consonant?
N.
N sound. So meow. So
짜장면.
have you tried that food?
Oh yes, I have. I went to New Jersey and my girlfriend loved it. And she she recommended, and I said I love it. I'm gonna come back.
Yes. There's no Korean who doesn't like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Actually, that one is like from Chinese, right?
It is. In certain area in China, actually they have this name too. They go jiang whatever, they read it in a Chinese way. It looks pretty similar. It's dark, like a black bean sauce and stuff, but taste is totally different. I mean, quite different. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.